Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Katrina. Today I have a special guest. I have my boyfriend here and I'm gonna be dyeing his hair. He has the final results right now, but I'm telling him to stay still so you guys can't really see, so you can wait till the end to watch. Basically last month he wanted to dye his hair. Well, he wanted to bleach like a section of his hair, and we did, and then we toned it to like a pink color, and now he wants to do purple. So that's what we're going to be doing today. If you haven't already, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you're always notified whenever I upload. So let's get into the video. So I'm probably going to be out of frame for most of this, just because I don't have like a mic on my camera, and if I push my camera back farther, you're probably not going to hear me. We did his hair. When did we do your hair? When did we do this?
Oh, right, like last month.
Last month? I don't know if I have a picture of when I did it. If I did, I'll put it here. But I lightened it and I left it in for almost an hour, and his hair is pretty stubborn, so it didn't lighten that much. Like it lightened, but it still had a lot of like goldish tones in it. After I put in, I might have it here.
I turned 32 last Friday.
So after I put in this Adore pink blush, these are like the best. These are really inexpensive, but they work really good and they're really pigmented. But yeah, I put this last month or whenever that was. You can see it faded to like a more salmon color. So I was debating on whether or not I was gonna lift it first. I was gonna put the color as is, but I was like, you know what, let me just lift it a little bit, because I would be mad if I didn't do it and I could have done it. So I'm gonna lift it a little bit. To lift his hair, I'm gonna be using this I don't even know how to say it. Schwarzkopf. This is a Schwarzkopf Igora Vario Blonde Plus. I've been using this for maybe probably like 2 or 3 years now, and it's my favorite to lift hair. It lifts up to 7 levels and it has an anti-yellow effect, which really does work. I'm probably gonna speed this part through because I don't know what I could say, but here's my lightener all mixed up, and I'm just gonna put it through his hair really fast, leave it in for maybe like 20 minutes or until I see enough lift that I can deposit the next color we're gonna use. And yeah.
Should I remove my shirt for this?
No. Okay. Also, yes, I know I should be wearing gloves, but I don't, because I don't need to. And the foil I'm going to be using is really crinkly, so don't make fun of that. I don't use this on like actual clients. It's just like extra foil that I had left over, and I folded it, so I'm going to use it now because I'm probably not going to use this to bring to a client. So
do people keep their eyes open when they do this?
So since you're in the hot seat, let everybody know, why did you decide to lighten your hair?
Oh, I think I'm having a midlife crisis. Nah. I don't know. My hair got long, I was bored, so why not have some fun?
Is this style inspired by anybody?
Seth Rollins, the wrestler. Yeah, I thought it was pretty cool when he had his Cruella de Vil look going.
I basically just touched up whatever was lightened already. I did do it pretty high when we did it the first time, so you can see he does have it grew about like, I don't know, an inch or so since I did it. I'm not gonna touch up, I'm not gonna go any higher. I'm just lifting what was light already. Again, don't come for me with my foils. This is not like a regular client. We're doing this at home. So
yeah, this is just me.
I'm just trying to do it fast. I wouldn't do this for like normally. We're gonna wait like 20 minutes or so, 15-20 minutes. I don't want to leave it any longer than that. That should be enough just to get most of like the pink, color out. Then we're gonna wash it out and then be back. So I let the lightener sit in his hair for like 20 minutes. So this is what we have now. Maybe if I had lifted in longer or used a higher volume. I don't think I said what I used, 30 volume. Like I said, these are really pigmented and they're really inexpensive. I don't know if they have these at Sally's. I'm not sure, but you can find it at like your local beauty supplies. It can't be more than $6 or $7. You can see I lifted the hair and it still has some of the pink. What I'm gonna do really fast is dry his hair.
Whoa!
What?
I'm going to the prom.
You
Why
can
not?
definitely see how much lighter we got. It's now before it was like more of I don't know, like a rose gold color. Now it is like a true salmon color, so we were able to get some lift. So now we're gonna be doing the fun part.
Did you get it to?
Now here's the fun part. We're doing all this because he said he wanted to dye this part purple. So we are going to be using Manic Panic Purple Haze. I like the Adore one, but Manic Panic is my favorite. It gives it's the most vibrant. It lasts a long time. I mean, from what I've seen, it lasts a long time. Obviously it depends how often you wash your hair and everything, but it lasts a long time. It's really pigmented. It's a little bit expensive, obviously. This one is no more than 6 or 7. And then the Manic Panic at Sally's, for me, with my pro discount, came out to $11. So I don't know how much it is normally. I guess it's 12 or 13. It's up to you how you want to apply it. I'm just going to apply it with my fingers, and then I'm going to be brushing it through with a comb. It's better to use a comb with more finer, with the comb closer together, like an actual comb. Yeah, with the teeth closer together, just so you make sure that all the product is working through and distributing evenly through the hair. Starting with this much. Turn to the side a little bit.
Grape jelly.
And then with my comb, I'm just gonna brush it through. I'm gonna take a little bit more. So I'm going to do that section by section. Don't make fun of my gloves. What did you call these?
Lunch lady gloves.
Lunch lady gloves. I bought these off Amazon and I didn't know that they were going to look like that. It's all done. It's evenly distributed, comb through, spread through. So now what you want to do is remove your lunch lady gloves. This has to sit for 30 minutes. So if you have a plastic cap, just put a plastic cap on. If you don't have a plastic cap, use something.
A shower cap.
No, not a shower cap.
Plastic bag.
Well, there's no more plastic bags really anymore. So
Paper
if you
bag.
have a plastic bag,
Use a paper bag. It's environment friendly.
True. Just use something to cover your hair. So that has to sit for 30 minutes. So we will show you guys the finished results. Oh, that was so embarrassing.
Whoa!
So normally after he washes his hair, I usually put it in a bun or just braid it up. I never tried it. But for this video, I just wanted to dry it completely so you guys could see the color results. So here are the results of the Manic Panic Purple Haze. You can see it deposited really good, I think, even though we didn't start off with super, light blonde hair. Even though we still started off with that salmony base, we still got you can see it deposited really good. The purple is really vibrant. It's pretty even all over. What do you think of the color?
I like it.
I like it?
Yeah.
Now I'm just actually gonna braid up his hair, and I guess that's it. So we're done with the braid. This is what it looks. I don't do braids that good. I could do it okay. Obviously, if I use more pomade and more gel and stuff, I could get it tighter, but he doesn't really like all that stuff in his hair anyway. But yeah, this is the finished look.
Damn, inside the camera.
This is what it came out to. This is what it looks like in a braid. It looks pretty cool. yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for doing this video with me.
Thank you for doing my hair.
You're welcome.
I like spending time with you.
That will be
Seeing your
$100. Comment down below what is your favorite hair color brand or semi-permanent or whatever you like to use. If you haven't already, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you're always notified whenever I upload. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.